real fun morning riding with the Sakshi riders. It's one big family and there were about 150 of us.
Everybody saw him playing for the nation and doing so wonders, 18 Grand Slams, so down to earth. We should meet this guy and we should have a ride with him. That was the sole motto, to know Leander, his dedication, and we want to also learn a lot from him.
This is exactly what community is all about. It's to use a vehicle, and in this case it was riding bikes, and to get the whole community out from all different walks of life, from all different age groups, to come together as one big family. So to everyone at the Sakshi Riders, thank you so much for a phenomenal morning right here in my hometown in South Goa.